And it got down into the dock and travel right up behind this wall over there.
Really sounds technical. Oliver,
Eh?
I'm fascinated by these markings. What do they stand for?
Nothing, not at all. Some vandals vandalized the place.
Oh.
That man really is your husband?
Yes. We have been married 2 years. We honeymooned here. If you have been here so long, how come we didn't see you then?
I must have been on leave. Him is a liar man.
Why you keep saying that?
Is him come here last week, you know, and signing at the book, but it's not my business.
You sure?
Sign as Mr. and Mrs. Chongfa, but it's not my business.
I don't think it was Michael.
And you wasn't the wife either, but it's not my business.
Who's just somebody resemble?
I see everybody that come in here. That is my business. They don't see me, but I see them. I never forget a face or a name, Miss Winifred. Never.
Winsome.
Is that pest still here? Oh, Winsome, Miss Mabley, something else. See, I brought you some carrot juice. Who are you going to believe? Me, your husband, or that stupid janitor?
Engineer! Building maintenance engineer!
Michael, I'm onto your little game. You're wasting your time. Oliver has absolutely no reason to make up a story like that.
So what is your final word?
I want out of this marriage.
The woman want a divorce. You know, say, I don't just manage doctor business, yeah? You sure say me is a doctor?
What do you mean, is she sure?
I'm not so sure about anything anymore.
Me not sure. But I don't see how you could be a real doctor and don't know what cause can. A simple little thing like a can too.
I'm not interested in your stupid corn.
Go ahead. I know you don't know. You're a bogus doctor.
A corn is a patch of thickened, hardened epidermis, more like a callus.
Oh? So what causes it?
Continued pressure or friction, like from wearing ill-shaped shoes.
They may look in shape till you know what is England then come from.
I wasn't talking about your stupid shoes. Why don't you get out of here? Why are you always sneaking up around here anyway?
Doing what I get paid for.
Are you a paid peeping Tom?
I am not a peeping Tom.
What are you anyway?
Engineer, building maintenance engineer.
The man is only doing his job.
Since you believe in this semi-literate so much, stay with him.
I hope it's something that good you called me a while ago, you know. I don't want to keep involving me into no argument. If you and your wife having an argument, it's not my business.
And you tell us he will take you home.
You wouldn't dare leave me here.
If you need to contact me, you can do so through my lawyer.
What a wicked animal. What an unconscionable brute.
How far is the next bus stop from here?
It's way out on the main road. About half mile or 3/4.
Can I get a taxi?
No, man. Taxi don't run down here after dark, you know. You will have to walk all the way up to the main road to get one.
Well, I guess I have no option but to start walking.
So why you don't take off your clothes, your shoes and dress off a little bit, then you can start walk.
No, I better not. It's getting late.
It's late already.
Thank you for everything.
Well, my dear, walk good, yeah?
Thanks for everything.
Well, Miss Winsome, all I can say is walk good. I only hope those boys not on the prowl tonight.
Boys? Proud?
Mm-hmm.
What boys?
Some thieving boy. A 10 man them assault since the month start.
Assault?
The boy them a criminal, you know. Or some escaped prisoner.
Don't they have police patrol around here?
Police? Patrol? Police afraid of them like pussy. Them the boy they vicious, me dear.
Oliver,
Eh?
can you walk me to the bus stop?
Miss Winsome, I would have really loved to. But bravery was never one of my strong points. You see me? I don't even look down at the side of the road after dark. Them the boy there, vicious, bad.
Oliver, what am I going to do?
Well, since the lad husband paid for the room already, now might as well you stay till tomorrow morning, and then you can call a taxi to carry you home.
Well, looks like I have no choice but to stay.
Look, so.
Well, thanks for keeping me company. Thanks for everything. I can't imagine what would have happened to me if you weren't here, you know. You have become such a friend. Be sure to come over tomorrow morning and tell me goodbye before I leave. Okay? Good night, Oliver. And thanks again.
Good night. And go up the rats and we'll make you get a comfortable rest tonight.
What rats?
Them have some big rat in here. Bionic rat. Elevating. Big like this.
Here? In this particular room?
What number this? Room 13, no? Is in here them breed. When the place get congested, them wander all over the place. But is in here the majority of them stay.
How can I sleep in a room full of rats?
Well, it's not so bad, you know, if the crook lizard them making noise. Yes, man. You see, when the crook lizard them making noise, the rat them don't come out because them things say a people walk up and down.
Croaking lizards in here too?
Huh? No, uncle, that alone. You have croaking lizard, you have rat bat, you have cockroach. We have a nice variety here, you know. And last year, I killed a scorpion right under that pillar there.
Oliver.
Good night, dear. Good night. And I hope you see you get a good night rest and that tomorrow morning you can get a taxi to go home.
Oliver.
By the way, you're not afraid of ghosts. A miserable old woman, she dead in here some time ago. And say her, I dopey take one everlasting set in a this here room. Sorry.
Oliver.
Eh?
Can I ask you a favor?
One?
Could you stay with me tonight?
Okay.
You can sleep on the...
But I don't like these things, you know. Pal, you know the problem me can get into if management find out.
I'm going to wash my face.
Rat! Move! Rat! Ratter! Get away! When you're coming into this place, you know, sir, nearly must me get stoppage of water.
You know, them tell me that this is what you was doing, you know.
No. The lady was afraid and she said she wanted to company, so I must stay until she fall asleep.
Who made the markings on the wall?
Oh, vandals.
I just see you mark the wall.
Well, I was just going to fix it up and make it a little murals. So dead. I feel like I was going to liven it up. I was going to call it strokes.
You know, them boy tell me say for the 2 weeks you work in here.
2 weeks?
All you do is play this little con game and make the woman them fall out with them husband.
What?
Well, you're fired, sir.
Fire? But you can't fire me, sir. What about the
Collect your things and leave.
I'm the young